Have you ever accidentally marked an important email as spam in Gmail and panicked thinking it's lost forever? Don't worry, this happens to everyone and recovering it is actually super simple and quick. In this video, I'll show you how to restore those emails and make sure Gmail learns from the mistake so it doesn't happen again. First, let's locate the spam folder. On the left sidebar of Gmail, you'll usually see it listed along with Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. If you don't see it, just click the More button below Sent, and the spam folder will appear. This folder holds all messages Gmail thinks are spam, as well as any emails you manually marked. Once you're inside the spam folder, you'll see a list of all filtered messages. This is where Gmail temporarily stores everything it flags. Pro tip, check this folder regularly to make sure you haven't missed any important emails that accidentally ended up here. Now, find the email you accidentally marked as spam. Click the checkbox to the left of the email. If you've mistakenly marked multiple emails, you can select them all at once. Once selected, simply hit the Not Spam button at the top of the page. Gmail will immediately restore the emails to your primary inbox. Here's the best part. Gmail actually learns from this action. By marking an email as not spam, you're helping Gmail improve its filtering accuracy so future emails from that sender won't get caught in the spam folder again. And that's it. A quick, simple fix that ensures your important emails are never lost. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share so you never miss a Gmail hack again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tips to master your inbox.